This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Peah, Perek Beis, Mishna Beis. And this Mishnah will present an opinion that argues with one of the teachings that we learned in the previous Mishnah about something that divides a field into two for Peah. Amas Hamayim, a water canal, which is similar to the Shlulis, the irrigation canal in the previous Mishnah. So a water canal she'eino yechaylo lihikatzer ka'achas, that cannot be harvested as one, meaning that a person standing in middle cannot cut from the crop on each of the sides. So then Rabbi Yehuda Eimer Mafsekes. Rabbi Yehuda says it divides the two sides into two fields. But if the person could harvest both of them while standing in the middle, they're able to cut from the crop on each of the sides, then the water canal does not divide them into two fields, and they'll be considered one field. The Mishnah continues, V'chol ha'harim asher b'mader ye'ederin. So this is borrowing a terminology that's found in Tanakh. It's saying that if a field is separated by all sorts of hills that could only be plowed with a hand plow. An ox can't plow it because it's very hilly. So it could only be done with a plow that a person uses with their hand. So the Mishnah teaches that af al pi she'ein habakar yochel laver bekelov, even though the ox cannot pass through and plow that part of the field with its tools, and so each side of the field on its sides are plowed, and it is not, so it's a strip of unplowed land. And we learned in the previous Mishnah that that will divide the field into two. Over here, since people can see clearly that it's a hilly area, so they assume that it's not plowed simply because it's hilly, and so the person couldn't use their animals to plow it. But any moment, the person will come and use a hand plow to plow it. And so therefore, people see it all as one field, and as a result, huneisen peah lakel, a person gives one peah for the entire two sides of the field, and it doesn't have to give from each side separately.